They're delaying my phone. It's now 5:22. And there they go, noise harassment over there. As soon as I come outside. So I mistakenly thought that was the roommate's phone or TV or something. Not the TV, but I kind of found out I step outside and it's the birds. So my apologies. But so it's the birds. Well, it's fine. Birds is nature. I can't control that. But I heard sometimes with being targeted that they can use animals like birds and dogs and stuff to perk you too. Like I heard with Michael Jackson, I heard that he used to have the pet monkey called Bubbles. And I heard that Bubbles was used to tickle, torture, and MK Ultra and mind control him. So they cut the grass today, and I'm glad that they didn't take too long. And the man didn't seem like he was a perp. It was literal, actual grass being cut. So I'm glad for that. So yeah, they started with that noise harassment over there. And they started with the noise harassment. And so now, I don't remember what they were doing just now. But it wasn't the leaf blower, but it was like a saw or something that they were trying to use. But yeah, so that's the birds. I was like, what the hell? Is that a cat meowing, or is it the roommate's phone, or is it the cat meowing, or is it a baby crying, or it's the doggone birds? And see that house way right there. The guy was just standing outside pretending to fake monitor me, and now he went back inside. I just missed that. But see it's starting to get a little darker, and but kind of early. I don't know, cause the wind has picked up, and it's humid out here. Not too humid, but it's humid out here. The wind has picked up, and oh look, those black birds over there. So see, it's kind of windy, and it's a little more cloudy. So I don't know if it's gonna rain today. Well, I ain't got nothing to worry about. You know, I don't know how long amount of time. Got a roof over my head, so I ain't got to worry about being on the streets. But these steps right here, I really hate living in a place where I have to go upstairs. These steps are scary, and I always be afraid that I'm gonna fall down the stairs, especially when carrying heavy loads of stuff like groceries or packing or something. You know. So let me get back inside.